Electronic Stability Control, or ESC, is a crucial safety system that prevents your vehicle from skidding and losing control during emergency maneuvers or slippery conditions. When the ESC warning light appears on your dashboard, it's telling you something important about the system's status. There are three main types of ESC warning lights, each with a different meaning. A solid ESC warning light indicates a system malfunction. The ESC functionality is disabled, but your vehicle remains drivable, just without the stability assistance. A flashing ESC light means the system is actively working to help you maintain control. This is normal when driving on slippery surfaces or during emergency maneuvers. The ESC off light appears when you've manually disabled the system using the dashboard button. The system can be reactivated by pressing the button again. Now let's examine the most common causes of ESC warning lights. Understanding these can help you identify what might be wrong with your system. Faulty wheel speed sensors are the leading cause, accounting for 35% of all ESC warning light cases. These sensors monitor wheel rotation and are critical for the system's operation. Steering angle sensor calibration issues represent 28% of cases. These sensors track steering wheel position and require recalibration after certain repairs. Other common causes include low brake fluid or brake system problems at 18%, yaw rate sensor malfunctions at 12%, and wiring or connector issues at 7%. It's crucial never to ignore ESC warning lights. This system provides critical safety functions that can prevent accidents. Always address ESC warnings promptly to maintain your vehicle's safety systems. When your ESC warning light appears, start with a basic reset procedure that can resolve many common issues. Follow these 5 simple steps. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Second, turn the steering wheel fully left, then fully right to reset the steering angle sensor. Third, center the steering wheel to establish the neutral position. Fourth, turn the ignition off and wait 30 seconds for the system to reset. Finally, start the engine and test the system to see if the warning light has cleared. If the basic reset doesn't work, professional diagnostic equipment is required for advanced troubleshooting. Bidirectional scan tools can communicate directly with the ESC module to clear fault codes and perform system calibrations. Modern systems also support wireless diagnostics through Bluetooth adapters and smartphone apps for real-time monitoring. Understanding ESC sensor locations is crucial for proper diagnosis and calibration. The system uses wheel speed sensors at each wheel, a steering angle sensor, and yaw rate sensors to monitor vehicle stability. Professional calibration is essential after any suspension, steering, or brake work, as improper procedures cause most ESC issues. After service work, sensors must be recalibrated to ensure accurate readings and proper ESC function. Remember, ESC systems are critical safety features. When in doubt, always consult a qualified technician for proper diagnosis and repair.